Hello and welcome back. How are you? Today I'll be unboxing Transformers Titan Class Legacy Black Zarak. Big, heavy box. He is a Titan class. He's going to be big. I'm a little surprised that they fit him into this relatively small box. Yeah. Okay, let's open him up. I like this box. I like this black box. It's a wonderful design. I don't know if I want to throw it away because it's so nice. Oh wow, look at this. The box has pretty neat designs on the inside as well. He's got the head. It shows the head, and he's got the spear. Yeah, I might keep this box for something. The instructions. Oh wow, he is heavy. He is heavy. They had to use double of these cords to secure him into place. I think that is it. Oh, finally. Okay, there he is. The box is still kind of heavy. I guess it's just a really solid box. The box by itself is heavy. Okay, I'm gonna open his accessories box. I got his swords. So where is his head? Okay, there's actually two accessories boxes. So I assume his head might be in here. Where's his head? Parts for his spear. His shield, his cannons, but still no head. Okay, here's the head. So make sure you look in the inside all of the compartments in the box, okay? Because you might throw away some hidden parts. So here is his head, wrapped in paper, and there he is. Wow, he looks mean. Oh no, I took his antenna off like a bug. Let's put his head on. Yep, plugs into place. Alright, wow, he is actually quite impressive. Of course, Black Zarak is the repaint of Scorponok with a few changes. Well, I like the size of him. He seems more. He's a Titan, right? The same class as Fortress Maximus, but he looks much more formidable and imposing than the Titan Fortress Maximus. He just. It could be his demeanor. He looks so mean and evil. I love it. Let's put his shoulder cannons on. You have to attach his tail into his back. Now the attachment piece here is actually a rubber, which is interesting. It's a hard rubber piece. And everything, I guess, just folds or tabs into place. And he's got his backpack. Wow. Very, very impressive. Now, there's no place for his giant sword or spear to plug into his hand, but his grip is strong enough that, you know, it can just be closed and attached into place. And here's how he scales with some other robots. This is a studio class, leader class Grimlock, and I mean, he can just grab him and eat him for lunch. So here he is, out of the box in all his glory, and wow, what an imposing figure. He is huge. I mean, his Titan class should be the same or similar size to the other Titan classes, right? But he is has much more presence because he's got that mean demeanor. I mean, that power just emanating from him. The colors, the contrasting colors, red, black, yellow. He is, I think, the most imposing Titan class I have in my collection right now. You know, for example, I have a Fortress Maximus, and you know, he just stands there. You know, he's Fortress Maximus, but Zarak, you know, if you stand him up like this, he looks like he wants to do something bad. He's gonna just, you know, grab Grimlock and eat him for lunch. Of course, Black Zarak is a double headmaster. He has a head that transforms into a robot itself, and then that head, has another head, has its own head that transforms into a little tiny robot. So you actually get 3 robots in one toy.